Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Kodigo. Ko-di-go. Kodigo, meaning code. Napakasaya. Na-pa-ka-sa-ya. Napakasaya, meaning happiest or super fun. Sikreto. Sik-re-to. Sikreto, meaning secret. Inaaral. I-na-aral. Inaaral, meaning learning or studying. Pinag-aaralan. 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 This is also a way of saying learning or studying. Saya. Sa-ya. Saya, meaning happy. Saya. Sa-ya. Saya, meaning dress. Susunod. Su-su-nod. Susunod, meaning will follow or will obey. Mansanas. Man-sa-nas. Mansanas, meaning apples. Hinog. Hinog. Hinog, meaning ripe. Matamis. Ma-ta-mis. Matamis, meaning sweet. Masama. Ma-sa-ma. Masama, meaning bad. Upuan. U-pu-an. Upuan, meaning chair. Tulungan. Tu-lu-ngan. Tulungan, meaning to help. Tulungan. Tu-lu-ngan. Tulungan, meaning helping each other. Plano. Pla-no. Plano, meaning plan. Kita-kits. Ki-ta-kits. Kita-kits, meaning see you soon. Ulit. U-lit. Ulit, meaning again or repeat. Muli. Mu-li. Muli, meaning again or anew. Pakasaya. Pa-ka-sa-ya. Pakasaya, meaning to enjoy. Ngayon. Nga-yon. Ngayon, meaning now or right now. Maaga. Ma-a-ga. Maaga, meaning early. Sing-sing. Sing-sing. Sing-sing, meaning ring. Kamusta. Ka-mus-ta. Kamusta, meaning how are you or hello or hi. Kumusta. Ku-mus-ta. Kumusta. This is the formal way of saying how are you or hello or hi. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!